on your computer browser. Go to NEC website as shown. Click on registration and enter the correct login details. After successful login, select Register New and click to proceed. On the form appearing, enter the student KCPE index number and select year of KCPE and click Find to proceed. If the index number and year are correct, student names and other details will be displayed. Assign an index number for KCSE, select citizen type, attempt, enter birth certificate number, select special needs if any, browse U photo and display, then select all her subject and click to post her details.